Hello and welcome to my channel, Everything Budapest and Hungary. In today's video, I will walk you through the Duna path in Szigetzentmiklos, west side, Hungary. In this park, it's been known as a nice and a quiet place for relaxing, yoga practice, and meditation. So the reason why it's being recommended is due to the nature around, the wind, the breeze, and the flowing water around, because it will give you the peaceful atmosphere you needed to relax. So I will walk you through and show you some of the places that might interest you if you would like to visit this Duna path. Well, actually, it's not too popular. It's mainly for people that live in Pest side, people that are already living in Budapest. But if you're a foreigner, I don't really recommend you coming to this area because it might be a little bit confusing for you. But if you're already living in Budapest or in the Pest side, I recommend coming to this area, maybe for yoga practice, relaxing, or for meditating. You can as well do some fishing if you like fishing around here. So now let's let you guys explore and enjoy the nature. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. You as well can drop a comment on the comment section below on how you feel on this video. So let's move around and explore. So now you can hear the sound of the breeze. It's very peaceful and calm for someone who would like to do yoga or relax for a very short time. And if you're still enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.